What's good, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. It's your boy D Gilt coming at you guys with another review. Today we're going to be looking at the NikeLab x MMW Tee. Let's get into it. I purchased this piece in an XL, and I definitely would say stick to your size. It's like a pro combat type tee, so I kind of like that tight feel, and this is just good for like running and working out. And as you guys look into the tee, you guys are gonna see that there's a Nike swoosh, and there's gonna be MMW right underneath. If you look on the little tag, I mean, there's no tag, but it's printed on. It has a sideways swoosh because it's NikeLab, and you also have the MMW little hang tag right here. And it also has like a pretty cool pattern that's like on the chest a little bit, and then you have some that's like on your sleeve, not your full sleeve, but like I guess more towards the shoulders. And then as you switch around, there's also another Nike MMW. It's right over here. And you also have that pattern again. And it has a lot of breathability. There's not really much branding other than those two little swooshes. I'll show you guys the full front so you guys get a better look at it. And the full back. And also, it has like these little tapered off little ends right here, which looks kind of nice. It's stitched in. It has that on the front and the back. This is a super lightweight tee, and it retailed at $130. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, $130. I don't think this product is worth it. It's a super nice tee, but it's definitely not worth it in my opinion. They do have some up on StockX, so I think it's around 160. I'll drop the product number for you guys below and drop that link for you. But I would definitely say this is worth around $40, $50 in my personal opinion. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys check out my other videos. I'll be doing a ton of content on NikeLab and Nike Tech. Thanks again. I'm out.